Okay, this is the first step-by-step introduction of Performance Pro. So after you install the software, Performance Pro, you just start it by double-clicking on the icon on your desktop. Then you will see the screen where you put in your username we sent you and your password. You can here remember your password if you would like, so you don't have to type it in every time you start the software. So after signing in, you will see the user interface. There are two important steps you have to do once before you can start using the software. The first step is you need to create a profile under Settings, Profile. I already have a few in here, and there's one profile already created for you. That's a volumetrics profile. So if you're a volumetrics customer, you don't have to do anything. You already have the volumetrics profile and you're good to go. If not, you need to create a new profile. What you do, you just type in the name of your profile. So just the name of your university, for example, and you say create new profile. Now you need to define the set types. So here you need to put in the code of the set you are using in data volley. For example, if you use for area 4 in system, you're using the code X5. You just put in X5 over here. So the software knows when you import data, okay, X5 means area 4 in system. Also, you can create more than one profile. If you exchange data volley files with other universities, you create one for your Scout, you create another profile for another university where you get files from, so you don't need to recode everything. And after you imported the data into the software, into Performance Pro, you can immediately combine the data, your own data, and the data you get from a different school, so there are no more actions required. Also, you need to, if you Scout setter calls, you need to define them here. For example, K1 for quick front. Once you set everything up, you need to click Send to Database to save your profile. Otherwise, it is not saved. Also serve type, for example, stand serve, jump float. If you Scout jump float, for example, with SM, you put an M in here, so the software knows, okay, SM is jump float. There are also a few very advanced options here. If you don't Scout, you don't need to do it. Block type definitions. So what is the quality, how you Scout a stuff, and a temp, block a temp, a cover. So you put in the qualities over here, like a double plus, a slash. And also the set qualities. If you really Scout sets, if a set is too tight or perfect or inside or an error, you can also put in the qualities over here. So the software knows, okay, the set code E/ means no attack or overpass. And again, once you set everything up, don't forget to click Send to Database. So it's not done, but I'm just gonna say Send to Database so I can show you later where you can find it. The second step you have to do is under Management, Contest. So under Contest, you can find here your local leagues. So I have all conferences and leagues in the United States and Europe already, but for you it's going to be empty, or you can find maybe 2 or 3 contests over here, 3 leagues. So to add a league or your conference to your local database, you need to go to Remote League. You can see United States, that's a country you're searching in, so I'm going to type in big for Big Ten, for example. I click search, and then you can see Big Ten conference right here. You select it, you say persist to database, and then this league is going to be under your local leagues. The second step you need to do here is you go to remote division. You select here your Big Ten, you just edit it, and then you look for Division 1. In the United States, everything is Division. You can find under Division 1. With the reason that we also with FIVB we have different divisions. For example, FIVB would be the league, and division would be the federation, and then the contest we're coming to now. So if you go to contest, you select Big Ten, you just did. You have the Division 1 over here, you select, and now you search for 4 things. We have regular season, for example. You can find the regular season over here. You select it, you click persist to database. Another thing you should add to your local database is playoffs. You search for it, you select, here's 2014, 2015, click persist to database. Another one is practice or preseason. So you can also import data for your preseason tournaments, your friendly matches, your scrimmages, or practice for your practice data. So you can also combine practice data with game data. So the reason why we do it is when you import data over here on the management import, you just select the conference, Division 1, and if you import a match from your regular season 2015, you select regular season 2015. And here's the import profile you have. So you go to your university, because it's a file you scouted, and all you have to do now is select the match of the date. If you're a national team, you select national team. If you're a club team or college team, you select club team. You select the gender, and now you can select your file and import your first data. The idea is that because now the software knows, okay, this file belongs to Big Ten Conference and it's a regular season match, so later on you can filter your data more easily, and also you can analyze your whole conference. You can say, I want to have an analysis from my whole conference, what you can do on a contest. But if you want to have more information for that, please check out the video PerformancePro Contest Analysis.